Well, hello everyone. In this video, we will learn the national parks of Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Haryana. I would have also taken Punjab, but there is no national parks in this state. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started with the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, so the first one is City Forest National Park. Now, the City Forest National Park is located in the Srinagar district of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. It is also known as Salim Ali National Park, named after the famous ornithologist Dr. Salim Ali. The word ornithologist means a person who studies or is an expert on birds. This national park was established in the year of 1992 and is famous for birds. Himalayan monal is a flagship species of this national park. Flagship species are those species which are iconic throughout the world due to their unique attraction. Panda, polar bears, turtles, tigers, rhinoceroses, etc. are the few flagship species that have gained international recognition. Every country has its own flagship species that are unique in that place. For example, Iberian lynx is the flagship species of Spain. Anyways, the second one is Dachigam National Park. So this national park is situated about 22 kilometers away from the city of Srinagar. It was established as a national park in 1981. It is spread over an area of 141 square kilometers. The name of the park, Dachigam, literally means 10 villages. Hence, this national park is named as Dachigam in the memory of 10 villages that were relocated for the formation of this park. Dachigam is best known as the home to the endangered hangul. It is also known as Kashmir stag. Now the third one is Kajinag National Park. So this national park is located to the northern bank of Jhelum River, very close to the line of control in the Baramulla district of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. It was established in the year of 2000 and it is home to about 17 different species of butterflies that are unique and endangered. Here you will find Markhor wild dog. It is a national animal of Pakistan and is found on both the sides of line of control. This national park is encircled by dense deodar, pine and fir forests and elevated cliffs. It has the largest population of tragopans. However, tragopans comes under the endangered species of birds. Now the fourth national park of Jammu and Kashmir is Kistwar High Altitude National Park. Now this national park is located in the Kistwar district of Jammu and Kashmir. It was declared as a national park in the year of 1981. The major purpose of formation of this national park was to protect snow leopards that are now slowly vanishing from the nature. It is situated at the altitude of about 2300 meters to 6000 meters. This park is famous for Himalayan snow cock and brown bears. So these are the four national parks of Jammu and Kashmir. Now let's talk about the national parks of the Union Territory of Ladakh. So Ladakh has only one national park which is called Hemis National Park. It was established in the year of 1981 and is well known for having highest density of snow leopards. Hemis is the only national park of India which lies to the north of Himalayas, in between the Great Himalayan Range and the Jaskar Range. Hemis National Park is the largest national park of India with an area of about 3,350 square kilometers. The river Indus flows through the north of it. This national park derives its name from the Hemis Gompa Monastery. It is a famous Buddhist monastery situated about 40 kilometers to the southeast of Leh, the capital of Ladakh. This national park does not receive much rainfall throughout the year as it is located in the rain shadow area of the Himalayas. Here you will find many endangered mammal species like leopards, Asiatic ibex, Tibetan wolf, Baharal and the red fox. Okay, now let's come to the state of Himachal Pradesh. So in Himachal Pradesh there are 5 national parks. The first one is Great Himalayan National Park. So the Great Himalayan National Park is located in the Kullu district of Himachal Pradesh. It was declared as a national park in the year of 1984. Along with this, it is also a UNESCO's World Heritage Site, declared in June 2014. In the upper part of the Great Himalayan National Park, you will find the world's largest population of western tragopans. This national park provides protection to the 4 globally threatened animals. They are snow leopard, shiro, Himalayan thar and musk deer. This national park also protects 3 globally threatened birds. They are western tragopans, the koklas and the cheer peasants. Now the second national park of Himachal Pradesh is the Indarkila National Park. So this national park is located in the Kullu district of Himachal Pradesh. It was declared as a national park in 2010. It is surrounded by mountains and the river Beas flows through the one side of this national park. This national park is a home to the rare species of animals like brown and black bear, common leopard, ibex and a variety of mountain deers and goats. The national park also has over 250 species of birds including monal, kalich, etc. The third national park of Himachal Pradesh is Khir Ganga National Park. So this national park is also located in the Kullu district of Himachal Pradesh and was established in 2010. This national park is situated at the height of about 5,500 meters and is spread over an area of about 705 square kilometers. It is situated very close to the Great Himalayan National Park. However, you must have heard in the news that this national park is going to be merged with the Great Himalayan National Park in 2016, so that it can be better managed with a common staff and resources, although the final decision is yet to be issued. Anyways, the fourth national park of Himachal Pradesh is the Pin Valley National Park. Now the Pin Valley National Park is situated in the Lahul and Spiti district of Himachal Pradesh. It was established as a national park in the year of 1987 and is named after gorgeous Pin River, which is a tributary of the Spiti River, and Spiti River finally joins the Satluj River and becomes its right bank tributary. This national park is rich in flora and fauna including ibex, red fox, marten, pika, Himalayan snowcock, golden eagle, griffon, snow partridge, etc. This national park lies under the cold desert biosphere reserve. Now the fifth and the last national park of Himachal Pradesh is the Sherjang Simbalbara National Park. So this national park is located in the Paonta Valley of Sirmaur district of Himachal Pradesh. Earlier it was a wildlife sanctuary established in the year of 1958 with an area of 19 square kilometers. But in 2010 it was turned into a national park by merging an additional 8 square kilometers of area to its boundary. The outermost range of the Himalayas, which is called Shivalik Range, runs through this national park. The landscape of this national park consists of thick woodlands of sal forests and lush green grassy pastures. Inside the park there are 2 waterfalls. However, one of them is almost dry and naturally converted into the habitat of some wild animals. Goral, sambhar, spotted deer, cheetal, Himalayan black bear and many other animals can be found here. So these are the 5 national parks of Himachal Pradesh. Now let's come to the state of Uttarakhand. So in Uttarakhand we have 6 national parks. The first one is Jammu Corbett National Park. It is situated in the Nainital district of Uttarakhand and was established in 1936 as Halley National Park, named after Sir Malcolm Halley, the governor of the then United Provinces in British India, to protect the endangered Bengal tigers. Then it was renamed as Ramganga National Park after the Ramganga river which flows through it, and then finally after the independence it was renamed as Jim Corbett National Park. Jim Corbett is the first national park of India. Even it is the first national park of Asia. It is located in between the Shivalik Range and the Terai region. When the Project Tiger was launched in the year of 1973, this national park was the first to come under this initiative and became the first tiger reserve of India. More than 75% of the total area of this park is covered with sal forests. Apart from tigers, jungle cat, barking deer, spotted deer, sloth, langoose, macaques, etc. can also be found here. Now the second national park of Uttarakhand is Gangotri National Park. It is situated in the Uttarkasi districts of Uttarakhand and was established in 1989. The Gomukh in the Gangotri glacier is located inside the park. Gomukh is the source of Bhagirathi river. Bhagirathi river merges with the Alaknanda river at Devprayag and finally becomes Ganga river. This national park is named after the Gangotri, which is famous as one of the 4 pilgrim sites or Char Dhams of Uttarakhand. The other 3 are Yamunotri, Kedarnath and Badrinath. This national park is a home to the species like blue sheep, black bear, tiger, brown bear, Himalayan thar, musk deer, snow leopards, etc. This national park also provides a suitable habitat to bird species like Himalayan monal, bulbul, doves, partridges, pigeons, etc. Now the third one is Gobind National Park. So this national park is also located in the Uttarkasi districts of Uttarakhand. It was established as a wildlife sanctuary in the year of 1955 and then later on it was declared as a national park in 1990. This national park is a catchment area of the river Tons, which is a significant tributary of the river Yamuna. Catchment area is the area which is drained by the main river and its tributaries. This national park is one of the remaining strongholds or protected region for the bearded vultures, snow leopards, brown bears, musk deers, western tragopans, etc. are the important fauna of this national park. Now the fourth national park of Uttarakhand is the Nanda Devi National Park. It is situated around Nanda Devi Peak, which is India's second highest mountain. Its height is about 7,816 meters high above the sea level. This national park lies in the Chamoli districts of Uttarakhand and was established in the year of 1982. Rishi Ganga river flows through this national park, which is a tributary of the Alaknanda river. It was inscribed as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1988. Nanda Devi National Park along with the Valley of Flowers National Park together forms the Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve. Here you will find about 312 species of flora, which includes 17 rare species. Fir, birch, rhododendron and juniper are important among them. Now the fifth one is Rajaji National Park. So this national park is located mostly in the Haridwar districts of Uttarakhand along the foothills of Shivalik range. This national park was formed by merging 3 sanctuaries, Rajaji, Motichur and Chilla. It was created in the year of 1983 and is named after the famous freedom fighter C. Rajagopalachari, popularly known as Rajaji. This national park is also a tiger reserve declared in 2015 as the 48th tiger reserve of the country and the second tiger reserve of Uttarakhand after the Jim Corbett Tiger Reserve. Sal tree is the predominant tree of this national park. The river Ganga flows through this national park. It is a home to more than 50 species of mammals including tigers, elephants, leopards, sloth bears, jackals, hyenas, monkeys and more than 300 species of birds. Now the sixth and the last national park of Uttarakhand is the Valley of Flowers National Park. So this national park is located in the North Chamoli and Pithoragarh districts of Uttarakhand. It is spread over an area of about 87 square kilometers. This national park was declared as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1988 and as we already discussed that this national park along with the Nanda Devi National Park together forms a biosphere reserve. This national park is a home to various cold habitat animals including Asiatic black bear, snow leopard, musk deer and blue sheep. This national park lays under the snow sheet in the winter months. The exotic flora of the valley starts to take shape at the onset of summers and its flowering phase emerges right after the showers of monsoon. Post monsoon, the entire valley seems like a colorful carpet of flowers, which gives an effect of fairyland. Anyways, so these were the 6 national parks of Uttarakhand. Now let's come to our last state, Haryana. So in Haryana, there are two national parks. The first one is Kalesar National Park. It is situated in the foothills of Shivalik Range in the Yamunanagar districts of Haryana. It shares its boundaries with Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. The river Yamuna flows through the eastern boundary of this national park. This national park is named after the Kalesar temple of Lord Shiva, located in this region. It was declared as a national park in the year of 2003. Now if we talk about the animals found in this park, so they are sambar, cheetal, barking deer, goral, etc. Tree pie, hornbills, blue peafowl and partridges are the famous birds found here. Now the last national park of Haryana and of this video is the Sultanpur National Park. It is situated in the Gurgaon districts of Haryana and it is about 50 kilometers away from Delhi and about 15 kilometers away from the main city of Gurgaon. It is a very small national park established in the year of 1989 with an area of about 1.43 square kilometers. The park is famous for birds. Here you will find migratory as well as resident birds. Migratory birds starts arriving in the park in September and use the park as resting place till March and April. Siberian cranes, greater flamingo, demoiselle crane, etc. are some important birds found here. So these were the national parks of Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Haryana. With this we have come to the end of this video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.